Hey there, welcome to Mikey Conquers the Kitchen, a real-time cooking show for beginners. Now once again, we're not going to talk about cooking today, we're going to talk about cocktails. And if you're a margarita fan, this one is going to blow your socks off. It's a margarita with only 3 ingredients, it's super easy to make, and it's probably the best margarita you've ever had. Now, it's called a Tommy's Margarita. It was originally created in 1980 at Tommy's Restaurant in San Francisco. So, let's get into it and start making this one. The only ingredients you need are your tequila. You can use any tequila you want. I'm a big mezcal fan, so normally I make mine with mezcal, but the regular margaritas are made with a silver tequila. Now the secret ingredient here is blue agave. Now agave is a plant that tequila is made out of, and it's also what this sweetener is made out of. And the flavor of the sweetener makes it so you don't really need the ingredient we're kind of canceling out in here is a triple sec or an orange liqueur. The flavor of this, you don't need it. And the only other ingredient is lime. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime, 1/2 ounce of blue agave, and that is it. That's it, and I promise you, when you try this, you're gonna love it. Let's get right into it. So, 1/2 ounce of blue agave. That's my 3/4 ounce. My 1 ounce thing. So I'm gonna guesstimate on that. I don't like mine super sweet, so you can alternate how much agave you use in it. So delicious. 2 ounces of your tequila. And like I said, use whichever. It's great with a mezcal. I actually prefer it with mezcal, but like I said, I'm a mezcal drinker. If you're not familiar with mezcal, it's a smoky tequila. It's they actually roast the plant when they the agave plant when they make it, so it's got like, I'm a bacon fan, it's got that smoky, delicious. Okay, I'll stop rambling about bacon. Okay, 1 ounce. Oh, look at my jigger, it's moving around. 1 ounce of lime. You get a lot of bonuses on this show. Like me forgetting that there's a camera. That's a little under. Oh, we're gonna garnish this, so a great garnish for a margarita instead of just a little slice is to do a wheel. Let's cut a sliver off, cut a little slice so you can stick it on a glass. Sorry, show that to camera. And we need a little more lime juice in there. We'll do it over the jigger so you don't lose any of it. There we go. A little bit messy. All right. Ice that up and shake it a little bit. Talk about your rim for a second. It's really important. For me, the flavor around the rim really adds to the drink. I like to use salt, and I like to add a little spice, so I put a little chili powder. Let's make that right now. I live near a really great farmer's market. It has great spices, so I'm actually using a pink Himalayan sea salt because I'm fancy. No, it has a really great flavor, and I feel like it's better than the processed iodinized salt that you get at the grocery store. But regular salt is good. The chunkier the better. Just sprinkle a little. For me, I like, since a margarita has a little sweetness to it, I like to put a little chili powder on the rim. Oh, we got that already. Let's shake this up. You want to shake it till your shaker feels so cold that your hands are going to stick to it. That's really what you want to get when you're shaking it. Once again, my shaker is frozen. If your shaker gets stuck, tap it lightly against something. And there we go. When you're salting your rim, take your lime and just run it around the edge. You want a little of that, first of all, the flavor, and second of all, it'll help your salt stick to your rim. So that's just salt sprinkled with a little bit of chili powder. I'm gonna dump that right in there. Now look at that. The perfect margarita. Cheers. I'll see you in the kitchen.